Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm just going to show you how to graph the line with the equation y equals minus 2x plus 6. We're going to use the same visual style where I am going to use the y-intercept, which is represented by positive 6, as my starting point, and of course I will be using my slope to find my rise over run. In other words, we're going to use that to find our coordinate points. Let's start off with the y-intercept, which is right over here, the positive 6. Since the y-axis hits at positive 6, I am going to use a little bit bigger pencil here, find my positive 6, which is right over here, and highlight it. There we go. That is my starting point. Okay, y-intercept is taken care of. We're not worried about that now. Now, I'm going to take my slope, which is minus 2. Now, in my previous video, I showed you a fraction, which was easy to find the rise over run. Now, here we have an issue. All I have is a minus 2, right? But I need rise over run. I need minus 2 over something in order to find my slope and the coordinate points. Well, if there's no number available, then automatically I'm going to put the number 1 right here. Why? Because minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. So we can keep, if there's no number, if there's no run available, just put a 1 in there. And there we go, problem solved. So now I know that my rise is a minus 2. Since it's a minus, I'm going to go down 2 flights of stairs. And since it's a positive 1, my run is a positive 1, I have to go to the right once. You see that? That's how you do it. So let's go to our graph now. I'm going to start with the y-intercept point, which was a positive 6. And I know that from this point, I need to go down twice. So let's go. I'm going to use a thinner thing. Let's go down twice. 1 and 2. And I'm now in positive 4. And I need to go 1 step to the right, which is right over here. And boom! I've got it. And let me make this a little bit thicker here. Thicker dot. There we go. I have my 2 coordinate points. And now, using a ruler, obviously, I'm going to use my line over here. I'm going to connect these 2 coordinate points as best as I can, of course. Kids, you'll be using a ruler, all right? Let me see if I can connect this as best as I can. It's not too good this way. Let's try. Oh, how about this one? How's that? And of course, extend the line all the way as max as possible to the end of the graph. There we go. Perfect. There we go. This is my y equals minus 2x plus 6. And of course, by the way, you should always write down the equation in the graph. So it's y equals minus 2x plus 6. And that's it. Using just my visual cues, visual information, I found my y-intercept. I knew my slope. And using my rise over run technique, I could draw a line and graph the equation y equals minus 2x plus 6. Thank you.